Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'm going to show you how to use OpenAI Playground. Now without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm going to need you to go to your computer browser, and you can choose any browser that you want. Next, go to the search bar and go to this website right here, platform.openai.com. And now click on enter to go to the website. And now once you're in the website, just log in into your account, or you can sign up your account, and signing up your account is very easy because you can sign up using Google or your Google account. So once you've signed up or logged in into your account, this is the OpenAI interface right here. And now you should go to Playground right here. Now under Playground, you can now choose whatever topic you want to search for. If you have a project or a schoolworks that you need, you can use this OpenAI Playground. It is very easy to use. Now, for example, you have a project about guitars in your music class, so I'm gonna just type a guitar title. So if you have a research about guitar or a thesis about a guitar, you can write a title about a guitar. And once you've done that, just click on submit right here, and it will process. So right here, the OpenAI Playground gives you a title, The Sound of Strumming, Exploring the Musical Possibilities of the Guitar. So that sounds a little bit catchy, so I like that title. And now if you want to go a further bit more, you can now choose a subtitle or some 3 subtitles. So what I want to do is I'm gonna just say write 3 subtitles about the text above. And now once you've done that, just click on submit again. And now right here, OpenAI gives you 3 subtitles regarding on the title that we just type above. So you have the history of the guitar and its influence on music, the different styles of guitar playing, unlocking the creative potential of the guitar. So you can just play with this. You can just play with it if you have a lot of topics you have in mind. You can just type everything. Like for example, right here, I want a title about guitar. You can also write a title about anything that you want, and that's about it. And now the next part is very, very interesting because you can write around 500 words topic about the title that you have chosen. So what I want to do here is I'm just going to say write, let's say 1,000 words topic about the title above. So once I've done that, I'm just going to click on submit. And as you can see right here, OpenAI automatically gives me a 1,000 word topic or a 1,000 word essay regarding the title I have chosen above. So it's very simple and it's very straightforward, and it's for my personal preference, I prefer this over ChatGPT. So that's about it. And now the second feature is you can actually upload your own audio from the computer right here. So let's find a audio on YouTube about a speech. So I'm just gonna say, for example, Elon Musk's speech. Right here. I'm just gonna click on this real quick, and now I'm gonna copy this link and go to a YouTube audio downloader. So this is just for example, guys. If you have a certain audio in mind that you want to open on OpenAI, so you can do that as well. But for my case, let's just download a text or a audio right here. So I'm just gonna paste the link. I'm gonna go on start, and of course I'm gonna wait for it to be processed. So right here, I'm gonna download the audio from the video. So this is a video converter, a download video and audio from YouTube. So I'm just gonna click on MP3 right here, and I'm gonna download the audio. I'm gonna save it in my desktop so it's easily viewed. So as you can see, I've already downloaded the audio, and now all I want to do is go to this speech to text icon right here. So in this way you can upload the audio to OpenAI, and OpenAI automatically converts the audio into speech, or text rather. So just click on this and click on upload audio from computer, and I'm gonna go to the audio that I just downloaded. I'm gonna click on open, and as you can see, OpenAI is transcribing, so this may take a lot of time, or this may take more time than expected depending on how long your video is. So we're just gonna wait for it. So as you can see, it says maximum content size limit exceeded, so make sure that your audio is or does not exceed to the limit of OpenAI. So let's just pick a audio from my computer right here, just to give you an example. As you can see, it's still transcribing, and now there you have it. This is the audio that I said or I talked to in the audio, and this is the speech to text. So as you can see right here, it is very good. And let's try another feature. And now if you want to put this as input, you can just click on use as input right here, and it will automatically go into the canvas or into the space right here. So another feature is you can also record yourself, and OpenAI automatically puts your recorded speech into text. So just click on the speech to text right here and click on start recording, and just talk or do whatever you want, and it will automatically be put right here. So the next feature is correcting grammar. So right here under load a preset text box, just click on that and click on grammatical standard English. So right here is an example. So correct this to standard English. So for example, she went to the market, and this is literally grammatically incorrect. So I'm just going to click on submit right here, and as you can see, OpenAI corrects this grammatically. That says she did not go to the market. So that's about it for this video. I think I've covered all the features, and you can also upgrade your plan right here. For now, I have a free trial because I just created my account. You can have a free trial once you create an account for at least 3 months. So after 3 months, they will need to pay. You will need to pay for that. So you can just do whatever you want right here if you want to pay. And so that's about it. So that's about it for this video, you guys. And if you find this video helpful, be sure to give it a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course, click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!